Good morning, everyone. Hope all of you doing fine. Dear students, today we will discuss next half of chapter number 9, Future Time Reference, taken from our English practice book. Students, I hope that all of you have completed worksheet 1 to 5. Now, students, let's begin with the worksheet number 6. Rewrite the following sentences using the present continuous with appropriate time expressions for future time reference. Beta, use present continuous tense in all these sentences means is, am, are के साथ आपको क्या करना है verb first form plus ing. And beta, use time expressions for future जो future को show कर रहे हो time expressions beta like tomorrow, next week, the day after tomorrow, okay, like this. Now students, let's rewrite these sentences. I leave for Canada. अब बेटा आपको in box word is given to you tomorrow. Time expression क्या given है tomorrow. Now बेटा आपको इसको present continuous में convert करना है. I के साथ आप helping में बेटा क्या use करेंगे? I am. I am leave is first form बेटा. Make it continuous leaving. I am leaving for Canada. Now plus time expression बेटा हम क्या ऐड कर देंगे? Tomorrow. I am leaving for Canada tomorrow. Next one बेटा they. They subject is plural. So use are. They are. Go is first form. Make it present continuous. They are going. They are going to they are going to visit the zoo next week. Then students, I am throwing party this week. She is reaching Delhi the day after tomorrow. They are getting married tomorrow. Then next students, Ruchi is playing badminton match this week. Here students, in these blank boxes write down any time expression. कोई भी time expression बेटा जो भी आपको suitable है कि you can write down like next week, tomorrow, this week, okay, and complete it. Then students, next one, 7th one, they are going to magic show tomorrow. The school is celebrating its Founders Day the next week. She is giving her first performance the day after tomorrow. The company is launching new range of perfumes this week. In this way, students, try to complete this worksheet. Now, beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 7. Mr. Kumar, president of M&M Company, is coming to visit his regional office tomorrow. Mr. Sharma, manager of his company, is telling his staff about some arrangements made for welcoming him. Now complete the following paragraph by filling in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the boxes below. Here are students, some verbs are given to you like honor, check, take, arrive, address, attend, welcome, leave. Now students, choose these verbs and then students complete worksheet number 7. Now students, let's start. The president arrives here at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Our representative will welcome him and takes him to the conference room. We serve him coffee and snacks. He addresses the staff at 11 a.m. The staff representative will honor him with a token of respect immediately after his speech. He checks the accounts files at 12:30 p.m. and goes for lunch at 1:30 p.m. He attends the board meeting as soon as the lunch is over and he leaves for the airport at 4 p.m. The students remember simple present tense. अब simple present को कहाँ use करते हो बेटा? Simple present is often used to talk about future events happening according to schedule fixed earlier. Okay students, now let's move on to the worksheet number 8. Future perfect. Now students, future perfect, this tense beta talks about an action that will have been completed by a definite time in the future. Okay, future perfect talks about an action that will have been completed by a definite time in the future. Here students, in unit the future word of my English reader class 7th, you have read by 2050 the scientist will have had a detailed description of how life began. The students, by 2100 the longevity of human life will have increased by 30 years. The students, by 2150, men will have established a radio observatory on the moon. The students, remember all the words in bold like will have had, will have increased, will have established. These all words, beta, all these words in bold tell about actions that will have been completed by a definite time in the future. Now students, let's do exercise related to this. Given below is a timeline chart. Taking hints from the examples given in worksheet 8 and using your own imagination, complete the chart by filling what new developments will have taken place in the given fields by the given time. Now students, let's discuss this timeline chart. Students, here is given to you, and students, one example is also given to you here in the first block. For example students, in फैशन की फील्ड में बेटा क्या चेंजेस हो सकते हैं? Belts will have gone out of fashion. The students, food में written है porridge will have become youngsters favorite food. The students, it's given to you brain transplant will have become possible. The students, you can write down in the column of medicines like machines will have prescribed medicine. In technology students, you can write down like this, scientists will have designed folding computers to keep in pocket. ओके the students, medicines में और आप क्या write कर सकते हो? Treatment of cancer in last stage will have become possible. The students, food में आप क्या लिख सकते हो? Food infections will have developed. But according to your imagination, you can write down here sentences. Okay, using your own imagination, write down here sentences, and students, use future perfect tense. Okay, take hints from the examples given in worksheet number 8 and write down here sentences and complete this chart. Let's move on to the worksheet number 10. Mr. Kumar will be visiting his company office at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Given below is a picture of his office taken at 2 p.m. on Monday. Observe the picture carefully and write what changes will have been made before the arrival of Mr. Kumar. One example is given to help you. Here students, one example is given here. For example, beta, sweeper clean floor. Now how to frame it students? The sweeper will have cleaned the floor. Use beta future perfect. Okay, future perfect के लिए आपको क्या use करना है बेटा? Will plus have plus past participle of the verb. Okay, will have or third form. The painter will have painted the wall. Next students, the receptionist will have cleaned the table. The accountant will have cleared accounts files. The artist will have made banner. Manager will have prepared welcome speech. Mr. Malik will have brought flowers. Mr. Gupta will have arranged eatables. Mr. Sharma will have decorated conference hall. Mr. Varma will have invited all the guests. In this way, students, like this, construct sentences. Okay, frame sentences. Use future perfect, means will plus have plus past participle of the verb. Now students, let's move on to the worksheet number 11. Ruchi's friends will visit her at 5 o'clock in the evening. She has made a list of the things to be done before their visit. Now read the list and write what she will have done by the time her friends arrive. Clean my room. Ruchi will have cleaned her room. Ruchi will have cleaned her room. नेक्स्ट में स्टूडेंट्स कंप्लीट होमवर्क. तो हम बेटा इसको कैसे फ्रेम करेंगे? बाय यूजिंग फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. She will have completed her homework, or we can say Ruchi will have completed her homework. Then students, bring snacks from market. Ruchi will have brought snacks from the market. Cook food hai beta. Ruchi will have cooked food. She will have washed her clothes. She will have ironed her school dress. She will have polished her shoes. She will have made her bag. In this way, students, construct sentences and use future perfect. Okay, future perfect means will have plus past participle. Now, students, let's move on to the do it yourself part. Complete the dialogue given below. Beta, it's conversation between Suman and Priya. You have to complete it, students. Frame dialogues here as per your wish. For example, students, you can write down like this. So, Priya, when are you going to Jaipur? Then Priya replied, I am going this Tuesday with my parents. We dash for 5 days. We are going there for 5 days. In this way, students, you can frame any dialogue as per your wish. Okay, students, frame dialogues and complete part A. Now, students, let's read part 2. The passage given below has not been edited. There are 5 errors in it. Underline the errors and write the correct words in the spaces provided. बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट द एरर्स. आपको मिस्टेक फाइंड आउट करनी है बेटा सेंटेंसेस में. देन बेटा उसको अंडरलाइन करना है एंड देन राइट डाउन इन द स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड टू यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट्स, scientists in UK have invented a pen that was automatically anticipated. Was is incorrect here. Underline the word was and write down will. That will automatically anticipate the words that you are going to write. Gone is incorrect. Underline the word gone and write down going. Going to write. The pen is not only. Is again wrong. Write down will here. Underline it and write down will. The pen will not only guess the words but were also. Were is again wrong. Will. It should be will. So underline were and write down will. That will also indicate spelling errors. The product is expected to hit the market very soon and will be available. R is wrong here. Write down will. In this way, students, try to find out the errors and then beta underline the errors and write the correct words in this space provided to you. Now, students, let's move on to the next part. Given below are responses of various people about what they will have achieved before 2025. Complete these responses by using the future perfect tense. बेटा इन सभी सेंटेंसेस में आपको क्या करना है? फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस को यूज करना. मीन्स विल, हैव प्लस past participle. For example, students, Aarti, before 2025, I will have finished my schooling. Next, students, before 2025, I will have done my BA. Then, before 2025, I will have got married. I will have got a doctor's degree. I will have become the managing director of my company. I will have opened a fashion store. I will have bought a new house. I will have completed an advanced computer course. Okay, like this, students, use the future perfect tense in all these sentences and try to complete this worksheet. Now students, I hope that all of you have understood this chapter well. Now students, complete chapter number 9 in your practice book. Okay students, that's all for today beta. Thanks and have a nice day.